Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and family, or complete strangers whom I have just met an acquaintance with, welcome back to another video. We are on our way to a drone race. The third race in the season, or maybe it's the second. I can't remember. Lots of things have happened this year. Anyways, we got all our stuff packed up. Spare quad, just in case. And yeah, we're on our way to East Farms Elementary in Washington State, on state line, for the 2020 multi-GP qualifier or something. I mean, I'm not really expecting to like make top of the bracket or whatever, but it'll be a cool time to be out there. I'm just going out there because it's going to be a nice day and hopefully another awesome video.
Right? There's no DJI.
No DJI?
What did you say?
Ew. I've got lots of DJI.
I'm looking at all. There's always got to be one.
Yeah.
Been away for college, was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. His Barbie tried a female Ken, but when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club.
Super fun when the sprinklers come on, like mid-heat. They're tarping up their tables. We got water coming this way. Never a dull day with Spokane FPV, huh? All right, so as you guys saw, sprinklers came on for the heat. Some of the other pilots are staying because they have waterproof gear. I do not, because conformal coating is, I don't know, probably something I should do to prepare for this stuff, huh? And then this evening we're gonna go to a park and do some sweet freestyle. So unfortunately this wasn't a full race video, but yeah, hopefully the rest of the video is not too bad. Oh man, what a funky conundrum I always get myself into with races, huh? All right, we'll see you guys there.
Then he does the Pong dance. The Pong dance. He does the Pong dance. The Pong dance. Touched a cigarette but tried to smoke a joint. He coughed and soon he felt regret, just screaming what's the point. And every time he saw this girl his face would turn too red, even though he told the guys he got her into bed. But when you see him at the table, he turns out to be rather stable. And when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the Pong dance.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Land over here, please. Thank you, Monty. Apologize. Hey, that wasn't bad. No. I did pretty good.
Did we all make it?
Yeah.
Nice, boys.
I did not.
Yeah.
I crashed out before.
Oh, did you? Damn.
All